What's going on, my fellow M1 MacBook gamers? Wanted to create a video for you guys showcasing the latest performance with the latest patches. So right off the gate, we are going to be running 11.2 beta, which just came out yesterday. And then another thing that's been installed is the new Windows Insider, which has updated performance when I was testing out on several of these games. So let's get started in talking about what these settings are and what tests I'm going to be running. So I'm going to be using QuickTime recording to get what you're seeing on the screen now. So keep that in mind when you're considering the FPS. So off the bat, one of the things that still don't work is the VAC or anti-cheat system. Fall Guys is still not running. So that may be something you guys want to consider if there's some games, cheat enabled games that you kind of want to be playing. You're not going to be able to get that launching. So the next game I tested out was Torchlight 2. If you remember from my previous videos, running it on crossovers and even parallels, I was getting some pretty choppy performance, but I'm happy to report that even launching it now with these new updates gets me some better frames and definitely more playable and enjoyable experience. So if you guys are curious about, the future of M1, this is positive outlook as parallels will continue to be updated and stuff of that nature. So be on the lookout for more testers and reviewers. You should check out Mac Gaming to see what the latest perspective is, because those people launch more reviews and more technical analysis. So next up on the docket is Max Payne 3. Last time I did this recording, I was getting a lot of graphical itches, not only in crossovers, but also in Windows Parallel. And now when I'm launching it, it runs smoothly, or at least seems to run smoothly, and I'm getting a more enjoyable experience. So likewise, in this trend that I'm noticing when testing with these latest drivers and these latest app beta and stuff of that nature, I'm getting better results, better load times, and less graphical issues. Let's just take a look at the gameplay right now. So something I want to remind people is that all of these graphics that you're seeing and all the FPS that you're seeing is with the QuickTime recording doing this. So that's something to be cognizant about when deciding if you want to purchase this machine or not. So I was asked to test Alien Isolation from a YouTuber, which is one of the reasons I started this tech gaming channel. And still, unfortunately, even with crossovers, even with these latest settings, I'm getting a bunch of crashes and it's unable to load. So for the most part, just as a spoiler alert, most of this rest of this video is just showing games that don't work. So Alien Isolation isn't loading. It's not showcasing anything. It just crashes, stuff of that nature. Yeah. Destiny 2 also doesn't launch anymore, and one thing you'll notice is that for some reason in my Steam version, I can't get Steam loading. I'm not sure if this is a technical issue with Parallels or just a Steam issue in general, so I'm launching everything in big game mode, but yeah, still Destiny 2 isn't launching as suspected. Here I'm showcasing that the Splinter Cell Conviction also doesn't load, it says operating system not supported. And finally, the last thing I tested was Batman Arkham Asylum. So I had shown last time that Arkham City works, but unfortunately this does not work in both VR mode or big picture mode, and also in trying to launch it in regular Steam mode. So that's kind of been my view and my take on what's working and what's not working. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or future videos you want me to test. Really excited for the updates that are coming. It looks like a new M1X is about to be coming out in Q3 2021, and for the most part, with perhaps better supported performance from Windows is really what is lacking here, or maybe Steam games, because definitely the capability or the technology and hardware can support it, but just some software issues with Windows 10 ARM and detecting it's an ARM that it can't run properly. So that's all I got, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.